Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone battery draining fast. So guys, if you are using iPhone and having problem that battery draining fast, then I'll help you how to decrease your draining. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. So guys, this problem is occur in iOS 17. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings. So guys, you need to click on general, and guys, you need to update your iPhone as you can see. So guys, here you need to, if you are using iOS 17, so guys, simply you need to update your iPhone 17.2 beta 2. So guys, by doing this version, all the problems will be fixed that you are facing in 17. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and guys, secondly, you need to click on iPhone storage and check your storage. If your storage is full, then guys, you need to delete some data from your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to scroll it down, and guys, you need to delete apps that you are not using on your iPhone. So guys, for example, I am going to delete this one, Free Fire use. So guys, you need to click on this app, and guys, simply you need to offload or delete app from here. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back. And guys, here is the option of background app refresh. Simply you need to click on this tab, and guys, you need to turn off this. And guys, after turning off, you need to go back. So guys, after doing this, simply you need to scroll it down, and guys, you need to open one by one apps that you have installed in your iPhone. So guys, for example, I am going to this one, mail, that is. So guys, simply you need to turn off this cellular data. And guys, after doing this, you need to open second one. So guys, as you can see here, I am going to open Apple TV, and guys, you need to turn off mobile data in this as well. So guys, as you can see, simply you need to turn off your cellular data. And guys, after doing these settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.